Hello guys, welcome to Kingston's unboxing channel. Unboxing video. Anyways, we're going to be unboxing this Ultra Nerf rifle. Looks pretty nice. Golden text, really nice. It's an Ultra that does lots of damage. 4 bullets comes with it and nice design. I like that. Anyways, let's get the unboxing. Okay. So okay, here it is. Got the Ultra gun. Looks really nice. Anyways, let me see. Where are the bullets? There they are. Got the... Oh, wait, no. I thought they lied to me for a second. Yeah. And... why did they put this ball in like a book? Anyways, here it is. The Ultra Nerf gun. Let me put it at a better perspective for you. There's a perspective that you can see it at. Oh, wait. I just know. Let me flip that over for a second. There we go. We got the nice golden Ultra text. Got that nice pullback handle. We got. This is a really nice gun. Wait. Guys, let's see the noise that makes when we shoot it. That was really loud and really fast. Let's play that back in slow motion. And there you have it, folks. The Ultra Nerf gun. Really good Nerf gun. 10 out of 10 would buy.